Assalamualaikum. How is everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today my recipe is beef steak. I used to think making beef steak is hard. That's why every time my son used to ask me to make it for him, I used to make excuses. But once I learned this method, now I make it for him every other weekend. So don't be intimidated by cooking beef steak. It's super easy and I'll show you how. I have here two medium-sized steaks. They cut perfectly, not too thick or not too thin. Medium steak is actually easier to cook. Thin steak will cook fast and may even dry out. So choose good steak. I'm adding here first 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. If you like, you can use garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Now I'm going to squeeze half lime. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. 1 tablespoon of mustard seed paste. This is yellow mustard seed. If you like, you can use powder. 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce. So that's all the ingredients I need to marinate these steaks. I'm just applying this marination all over the meat. I'm going to flip it and put it on the other side. Make sure all the marination gets in. So I'm going to leave this on the side for half an hour. While it's marinating, I'm going to make white sauce. To make this white sauce, first I'm adding here 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. If you want, you can only use butter or only oil. It's up to you. I'm using both. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half cup of milk. Make sure at this point your heat should be on medium. Adding some water and constantly stir it so it doesn't get lumps. 1 teaspoon of barbecue sauce. And mix everything together. Make sure everything mixes perfectly, and the thickness that I want, I think this is perfect. I'm going to turn off the heat and leave it on the side. I'm heating up some butter in a pan. This is a cast iron skillet that I am using. This iron pan has heat retention, so it's perfect to cook any kind of steaks. So the butter is already melted. I'm going to place these steaks one at a time on this pan very carefully because the pan is very hot at this point. All those extra sauce, I'm just going to put it on the top. And I'm going to cook this side for 15 to 20 minutes. Put a lid on it and leave it for 15 minutes. So I'm just going to flip and see how it's cooking on the other side. It looks perfect. The color looks nice. I can smell it. It's so nice smell. I feel like having it now. So I'll leave it another 15 to 20 minutes on that side to cook. After 15 minutes, my steak looks perfect. It's all cooked and done. If you want to achieve nice crust on your steak, let the steak caramelize by themselves. Just going to take it out from the pan. I'm going to cut in a small piece and to show you how it cooked inside. This is very soft and juicy. So easily cut it. And cooked perfectly inside. It's not undercooked or overcooked. I'm just plating this on a nice dish and some vegetables on the side. These are some boiled vegetables just sorted with salt and pepper. You can have any vegetables you want on the side. I'm just putting that white sauce on the top. I hope you like this video. For more recipes, please do subscribe my channel, like and share. Until next video, please look after yourself. Take care, stay healthy, be healthy, eat healthy, cook, find more recipes, spend your time cooking in this way, in this pandemic. I know people are bored at home, so this is the only entertainment I have right now. খাচ্ছি তো খাচ্ছি, মোটা হচ্ছি, but it's okay, gain and lose later. So enjoy your time, take care. Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum.